How's it going, guys? Backyard Feast here. Today, I want to show you guys how I like to make air fryer donuts. That's a little bit weird for me to say because before 2 weeks ago, I had never heard about doing a donut in an air fryer. I saw one video on TikTok and I had to look into it more. And now I'm intrigued. I want to try and make it. Or all you need is yogurt of your choice. You'll need 1 cup. I'm going to do orange cream. You need 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour and either a cup or 2 cups of powdered sugar. I made both of these at home. You'll see in the next slide how I did that. Let's hop on into it. To make the dough, you need your self-rising flour and your yogurt. You need a cup of it, and both of these equal 1.5 cups. So I gotta measure that out real quick. Once all the yogurt's in, we gotta mix it on up. I'm gonna start out with a little spoon like this.
A few moments later.
Once you've got a ball of dough just like this one, go ahead and put it out on the counter. You can lay down parchment paper if need be. I won't be because I don't have any on hand, unfortunately. But you can just use the countertop as well. We're going to put down a little bit of flour, put the dough ball down, put some flour on top, and roll it out. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So like I said earlier, we're just going to roll this on out. Get a nice even dough. Alright, once your dough's rolled out like this, we're going to go ahead and cut our donuts into it. Just go ahead and grab whatever you got in your kitchen. I think I'm going to use a thing of Tupperware and a tall glass cup. We'll see if these sizes work good. As you guys can see, even though it's a mess everywhere, we got a couple different sized donuts. And then I'm also going to do a little test on the centers that I cut out. I'm going to throw in the air fryer too, and see if I can make little donut holes. So these are going to go into the air fryer. The directions for that will be on the next slide. So stay tuned to find out what happens. While the donuts are in the air fryer cooking, we're going to get started on our donut glaze. We're going to take 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. We'll do about that. Then for 1.5 cups, you only want 1 to 2 tablespoons at most of water. And you're going to mix it up. Alright, as you can see, I just got done doing the powdered sugar glaze. This is how they came out. I did the holes a little bit larger in the donuts, just so I could do donut holes. It was just for my own curiosity. And I think they came out pretty good. If you guys make this, feel free to make your donut holes smaller, larger, do them however you guys want. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you guys like this video, feel free to give me a like, and feel free to subscribe for future recipes just like this one. Thank you for watching.